Hello there, I'm Tommy. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about zooming, because that seems to be a big problem in the flat earth community. So this is the famous Lake Pontchartrain Causeway that Soundly has made many videos about. And it stands in the southern end with its P1000 is a focal length of 3000mm zoom. Now what that does to the curvature I'm going to show you here. So the small one here is about the same width and height as that causeway, and of course the same length. But for anything to be shown here, I had to make things a little bit bigger. So the bottom one here is flat, and the top one follows the curvature of that causeway and of the earth. And now I have zoomed in at 35mm. When I change that to 2000, which is the maximum in SketchUp, things get a little bit different, because now we got compression like this. Now the bottom one looks almost squared, and look at the curvature on this one. I haven't changed anything but the zoom. Now the compression makes everything look much more curved. And this is why the flat earth believers say that the earth has the radius of a football or something. From the side, nothing changes. It's still the same length. But on the front, everything gets compressed. So when I zoom back to 35mm, everything pops back to normal, like this. And from the side, nothing has changed. From the front, it looks normal. In my last video, I had about zooming on boats over the horizon, and I'm just going to go a little more deeply into that now. Here we have SketchUp Dave and his camera, and out here it's nothing. But as I said in my last video, we have something called pixels inside the chip, and when the boat gets too small, it doesn't get registered in the chip. And the same is at the computer screen. Here we have a pixels, about 72 pixels per inch or something, much less than in the camera. But out here, there's nothing. So now I zoomed in at 35mm. If I now zoom at 2000, there's a boat. That follows exactly the same rules as inside the camera. Now I have zoomed in, and there it is. When I zoom back out again, it disappears. Of the exact same reasons. The pixels gets too small, so it doesn't get registered in the camera. Ship is gone. In fact, here it is, far away out there. Oh, come on. There it is. And this is, I had to scale it down a bit, but it's 1.75 meters long. And out there, and SketchUp Dave and his camera is here. Oops. So when I zoom back in again to his ear, in fact, we have camera front. There you see it. So everything is about zooming and pixel size. Nothing more than that. It's not magic. No magic involved whatsoever. That's what I had for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.